This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Rear brake pads replacement. Pull the hood release lever located underneath the steering wheel. Slide the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards. Remove the cap from the brake fluid reservoir. Position a drain pan under the brake assembly and clean the caliper and surrounding area with brake system cleaner. Position a large C-clamp over the caliper and squeeze the piston back into its bore to provide room for the new brake pads. As the piston is depressed to the bottom of the caliper bore, the fluid in the master cylinder reservoir will rise. Make sure it doesn't overflow. If necessary, remove some of the fluid from the reservoir and discard it. Unscrew and remove the upper and lower caliper guide pin bolts. Remove the caliper along with the pads from the bracket, then rest it on the leaf spring or support the caliper with a length of wire. Don't let it hang by the brake hose. Remove the upper and lower pad retaining clips from the caliper mounting bracket. If they are cracked or distorted or you're in doubt of their condition, replace them. Unclip the inner and outer pads from the caliper. Pull the guide pin sleeves out of the caliper. Clean the sleeves, inspect them for scoring and corrosion and the rubber boots for damage, then lubricate their sliding surface with high-temperature brake grease. Insert the sleeves back into the caliper, making sure the boots seat into the grooves at the end. Install the inner and outer brake pads into the caliper, clipping them into place. Install the caliper over the pads. Insert the guide pin bolts, screwing them in place. Tighten the caliper guide pin bolts to the specified torque setting. Repeat this procedure on the remaining rear brake pads. Pump the brake pedal several times to seat the pads against the disc. Check the fluid level in the master cylinder reservoir, adding new fluid if necessary, until it reaches the full line. Install the reservoir cap.